Hi, my name's Alex Waterton, a Microsoft Certified Trainer with F-Keys. Here today providing you with some how-tos, shortcuts and tips with Microsoft Excel 2013. So let's get started. Okay, in today's tutorial we're going to look at the Flash Fill feature in Excel 2013. This is new to 2013 and is quite an add-on to the Data Fill Series element. Here we have on the left hand side, you can see some names, the first name and the surname, and next door to it in column B I have a column whereby I would wish to put the data across, possibly in a different format. So there's a couple of ways we can use Flash Fill, and I've written two on the right hand side here. I'm going to do the first one first. So we're going to type in F for the initial of Fred. We're going to do a space and then type the surname, Smith. Press the Enter key. This places the selection underneath. We can now use the shortcut for the Flash Fill, which is Control E. And when I press Control E, it populates the rows below in the format which I typed in to cell B4. So this is very useful. So if I move along to Flash Fill 2, you'll find I have the same set of data, but this time what I'm going to do is I only require the initials from the range. So again, pressing a F, space and then the S for the two initials, pressing Enter brings me down to B5, but this time I'm going to use the mouse to do it, and I'm going to visualize or get the data ribbon up by going up to the menus and clicking data. This displays the data ribbon. Over on the data tools group over here slightly to the right, you will find a button or an icon, Flash Fill. And if I place my mouse cursor on that and click with the left mouse button, it will do exactly the same as the Control E shortcut keys. So that is to put those in. I'm going to now go to Flash Fill 3 sheet, and here I'm going to change the format around, so you'll find that there's a lot of options within this feature to change the way data looks very easily. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to type the surname followed by the initial, which is reversing them round slightly. I'm going to press Enter. I now of course have two options to how I can activate the Flash Fill feature, and of course being a Microsoft trainer I prefer a lot of the shortcuts, so I'm going to do Control E, and there we have it, another list. Through here we have Flash Fill 1, initials and surname. Flash Fill 2 has the initials only. Flash Fill 3, here we have reversed it round to put the surname and the initials. I hope you've enjoyed that short tip with Flash Fill in Excel 2013. We sincerely hope that you enjoyed this video tutorial, and would like to invite you to visit our website at www.f-keys.co.uk. Also to follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Our Twitter handle is @fkeys, F-K-E-Y-S, and we look forward to meeting you again soon.